Welcome back, students. Today we will learn about the decision taking multiple decisions using if-Elseif. Okay. In this video, we will learn about how can we use the multiple conditions. How can we take decision with multiple condition? We will use for the multiple condition. We will use the if-Elseif part. Okay. If-Elseif part. Okay. This is the chapter 9 and this is the part 2 video for chapter 9 part 2 video and जिनका आपको आपको जो लोग पार्ट 1 नहीं किए चैप्टर 9 का वो लोग इस वीडियो के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में पार्ट 1 का लिंक दिया हुआ है, आप वहाँ से पढ़ सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. वी आर गोइंग टू ओपन आवर विजुअल स्टूडियो. ओपनिंग. Okay. In multiple decision we must have to use the if section. Okay. So I am going to make a new project. Okay. And giving the project name, that is multiple decision. Multiple decision and clicked on OK. Okay, it will take few seconds. Our project has been created, our project environment has been created, and I am increasing the size of our form 1 and adding some according to your book के according ही चलते हैं. ठीक है. According to book, open the page number 119. And there is given an image for if program. Okay. That has two labels. So I am adding two labels, label 1 and label 2. Okay. Label 1 will be placed here, label 2 will be placed there, and two radio buttons. Okay. Two radio buttons has been added, and one button has been added, and a text box. Okay. And I have selected every tools, and I have selected every elements, that is radio button, text box, labels and buttons, and changing the font name, that is Cooper black, and increasing the size of our font, that is 16. Okay. Increased. Okay. And increasing the width of our text box, and then changing the text of label 1. Label 1 text, enter the edge. Okay. Enter the edge. Okay. And label 2 gender. Select gender. Okay. Select the gender. Changing the text of radio button, that is for male. Okay. And second radio button, that is for female. And okay, changing the text of button 1, that is submit. Okay. And rearranging our radio buttons. Okay. So I have created our graphical interface. Okay. And we will have to do the operation when we click on submit button. Then the coding operation will be performed in submit button. Okay. So I am double clicking on the submit button. Okay. And within the button one click, I am writing the code, that is dim age as integer, age equals to, sorry, variable name is incorrect here, so age as integer. So here I am storing the value in age equals to text box 1 dot text. Okay, text box 1 dot text, and then I am performing the multiple decision, okay, which are true or which are false. So if open bracket age greater than and equals to 18, अगर एज, if age will be greater than or age equals to 18, okay, if age, this method returns the true or false, okay, when age is greater than 18, or try to understand, or age equals to 18, okay, both condition, two conditions are available here. Age is greater than, when age is greater than 18, or when age is equals to 18, then message box dot show your age is valid, okay, your age is valid, okay. Next we will use else if, okay, else if, okay. In the if else we will check radio button 1 dot checked radio button 1 dot checked, then message box dot show your address is valid but age uh, age is not valid, okay. If else message box dot show neither age is valid nor address is valid, okay. In the graphical section I have taken the gender, so I am changing its label name address verified or not, okay. So changing the text of our label to, okay, address verified, and then changing the text of male to yes, and then female to no, okay, changed, okay. And I am going to run this program. Start. It has been started, and giving the input, that is 25 age, submit, age is valid, okay. When age is valid, okay, it is not performing correctly, and I am giving the 12, okay. Your address is valid but age is not valid, okay. अब इसमें थोड़ा सा कोडिंग में प्रॉब्लम है, देखिए कोडिंग में कहाँ पर क्या एरर है, मिलाते हैं, हम लोग मिलाते हैं. ओके. dim age as integer, correct. Age equals to text box 1 dot text, correct. If age greater than equals to 18, then message box dot show you can cast vote. Congratulations. Okay, you can congratulations. Okay, message may be anything. Okay, you can give according to yourself. Okay, मैसेज आप कुछ भी डिस्प्ले करवा सकते हैं. else oh sorry, this is the previous page. Okay, your age is valid. Radio button 1. Else if radio button 1 dot checked, then message box, so your age is valid, but age address is valid, age is not valid. Okay, neither age. Okay, correct. Okay, and I am going to run our program. 33. Okay, you can select both one. I have selected yes. Age is valid, selected no. Age is valid, both are showing age is valid, but you can change the conditions according to you in your program. According to your book, program is not performing as correctly, so I am doing something change in this program. Okay, so I have created a variable that is age as integer. Okay, and a text box 1 dot text returns the age, and recreating the multiple decision by using if else. Okay, so if age greater than equals to 18, okay, 18, everyone concentrate. I am using here multiple conditions. Okay, and radio button 1 dot checked, then message box dot show your age is valid and address verified. Okay, next, using else if. Okay, else if age less than 18, then message box dot show your age is not valid. Okay, your age is not valid. Okay, next we can use multiple else if. Okay, so else if I am giving if radio button 1 dot checked radio button 2 dot checked, then message box dot show your address is not valid. Okay, address is not valid. Here it is working the multiple conditions. Okay, so I have clicked start, giving the value that is 22, clicked submit. Your age is valid and address is verified. Okay, and I am clicking no, your address is not valid, perfectly working. And I am giving the value less than 18, that is 11. Okay, your age is not valid, perfectly working, your age is not valid. Okay, program आपका सक्सेसफुली रन कर रहा है. Okay, so thank you. I will send you this code and this output on your WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.